Jom, I bawa korang naik hop on, hop off KL. Hectic day, penat tapi best sangat hari ni. Spend time bawa anak korang naik ni. Hari ni kami berempat, I, Papa, Aiden dan juga babysitter try naik hop on, hop off KL dari Bukit Lintang. Tiket boleh beli kat kaunter kat kios tu ataupun beli kat online dekat website HoHo KL. Selepas beli tiket, nanti korang akan beratur dekat sini. Panas tau kat sini, korang bawa lah kipas sebab Aiden dah mengagam dah sebelum naik bas tu. Sebab cuaca panas dan ramai orang, so dia nak susu. Sekarang juga buat susu untuk dia lah. Lepas susu, Aiden back in action. Dia seluar tu tebal sangat tu, so dia tak pakai seluar tau dalam bas ni sampailah ke sudah. So bas ni ada dua choice tau, korang boleh naik untuk tengok city dan juga tengok garden. I ambil city. So bas ni akan bergerak daripada Bukit Bintang ke KLCC, ke Matic, ke Dataran Merdeka, Central Market, KL Tower dan balik semula route tu. Setiap kali bas stop ada announcement keluar dan ada sikit penerangan tentang tempat tu. Video ni memang panjang, I memang nak tunjukkan korang macam mana keadaan Aiden di dalam bas tu. Kalau korang Sabtu Ahad boring di rumah, macam tu jugalah anak kau. So bawa lah keluar bawa jalan-jalan. Macam kat kaunter tu, kalau korang tunjuk IC, dewasa dapat RM39, kanak-kanak dapat harga RM19. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching, guys.
Welcome on board. Welcome to KL Hop on Hop Off City Tour Bus. As we head downhill, you'll notice the new skyline of Kuala Lumpur coming into view. Vision for the future. The tower's design was inspired by the shape of a hand, which represents the country's independence, as Merdeka means freedom in Malay. 360-degree views of Kuala Lumpur. Now cleaners, creating a creamy texture. Pulling process also helps cool the tea. Teh tarik is often enjoyed at local mamak stalls and is a staple of Malaysian culture. And this line feels like it's as long as our ages. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the view while we wait. Right here, the late Tan Sri P. Ramlee. The City Walk is a 500m urban street arcade located within the city's Golden Triangle. This area is about 5 to 10 minutes walk away from Petronas Twin Towers. If you walk to the end of the walk, you will be able to continue your walk to Pavilion and the Bukit Bintang shopping centers by using... Stop. Nak boleh naik insyaAllah. Thank you. Terima kasih.
This is our main kiosk for exclusive official merchandise and one-of-a-kind tour products that capture the spirit of your adventure. Tour product.
The world. It was officially opened in the year of 2004, and this aquarium KLCC is a state-of-the-art oceanarium showcasing a...
All by local head. It's also a podcast about the night life.